Welcome back to the farm, everyone. Fall is coming and your summer garden worked hard. Now the soil is tired, compacted, and running on empty. If you leave it bare all winter, you're setting yourself up for hard work in the spring. I'm going to show you how to guarantee richer, healthier soil next year by doing one simple task that takes less than 10 minutes. No tilling, no fancy fertilizers. We're going to copy how nature builds perfect soil in a forest by feeding your garden from the top down. This is the ultimate work smarter, not harder garden hack. Welcome to the 10-minute method. First, some quick cleanup. Remove any diseased plants. For everything else, just cut the stems at the soil level. Leave the roots in the ground. They'll rot over winter, creating channels for air and water. Next, we're going to lay down plain brown thick paper. I use heavy-duty contractor's paper. I'll leave a link below so you can see what I use. We don't always get a lot of rain in the winter, and I find that cardboard does not always break down unless it's really wet. If you get lots of rain or are willing to water the bed over the winter, then use cardboard. Just be sure to get rid of all the tape and don't use boxes that have printing on them. Overlap the edges to block all the sunlight. This smothers weeds and is a magnet for earthworms. Give it a quick spray of water to get it started when you're done. Finally, the layer of gold. Pile on at least 4 to 6 inches of shredded leaves or grass clippings. Leaves and grass clippings are gardener's gold and will feed your soil all winter. If you don't have leaves or grass clippings, use straw or aged wood chips. They work great too. This layer insulates the soil, protects it from erosion, and breaks down into beautiful, rich, organic matter. This fall, spend 10 minutes to cover your beds and feed your soil. It's a tiny investment for a huge payoff in healthier plants and a bigger harvest. Will you try the 10-minute method? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for subscribing and live life in full bloom.